Welcome students. Today we will discuss about the lab program on Monte Carlo search. So let us see the problem description. We have to implement the back price problem using Monte Carlo search technique. So in the previous class videos we have already seen the description of back price problem. So back price problem is a integer optimization task in which you need to find the optimum values for 5 different bets, and the formula for optimization function is given here. F of x is equal to sum over I equal to 1 to d xi into sales of xi minus cost of xi, where the sales formula and cost formula is given in this question. So now we will try to implement the Monte Carlo search technique to solve the back price problem. Okay. So the first step is we have to import the required files. So since I already done that, this is the first step. Import the required files, and the next step is this is the function. Write down the function for MC search algorithm. You can copy it. So you can see the MC search function, it is having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 arguments. So here Monte Carlo search, it accepts the first argument as n, that means number of samples. So how many number of samples we have to extract from the distribution function, and then the next argument is lower range vector. So this is a vector consists of lower values for each dimension, and similarly the next argument is upper. So upper is a vector of higher range of values. So for our back price problem, you can see this. In this problem we are asked to find out the optimum values between 1 to 1000. Therefore the lower range values are 1, 1, 1, 1. Since we are having 5 bags, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Similarly for higher range, $1,000, 1000, 1000, 1000, 1000. So you have to frame the vector like this, and then your function, evaluation function. In the previous videos we have implemented the function for back price problem. It is just an implementation of this formula. So I will, and then the last argument is type. It can be min or max. Generally for back price problem we will find the maximization. Okay, you have to find the values in such a way that the object function or profit function is maximum. So let us implement the objective function. I already implemented the back price problem function in previous videos, so I am directly copying it. So you can see this. I am directly, to save some time, this is your profit function. So I copied it, and the next one is define the n lower upper. Okay, so what is n? So n I copy. How many number of samples for this function? Let us say I want 10,000 samples, and the next is upper vector, lower left vector. You can define like this. Say for example, lower vector is equal to C of 1 comma 1 comma 1 1 1. This is the lower range. Similarly upper, so upper range is 3 zeros, 1 2 3, and then finally you can call the function. So this is our function. You can call this function our function Monte Carlo search function. So since we have already defined this, so you can directly copy this one, or you can directly write like this also, so it is not a problem. So MC search function, after calling this by passing this argument, it will throw the S object. It is a list object. With this list object you can find the optimum solution. So let us print that one. That is a final step is you have to print the console. You have to print the console. So let us execute one by one. I am executing. You can see my, so you can see my screen. So you can see at this value you are getting the maximum value. Okay. So the optimum value of first bag is 453.53, and the optimum value of second bag is 383.32, and the optimum value of third bag is 442.2, and fourth bag is 451.38, and the final bag is 567.20, and the maximum profit you will get is 42,392. So this is how you will write program. And just we are calling the function.